Hello children, again I am here with some more topics. Children, in the last session you learned three-digit numbers, their comparison and to arrange them in ascending and descending order. Now in this learning session you will learn to classify even and odd numbers, to get before and after a given number, to find face value and place value of digits in a number, and to expand a three-digit number, and to get short form from the given expanded notation. Children, let's start with the even and odd numbers. Even numbers. Even numbers are those numbers that can be put in pairs. For example, class, if I ask you to put 12 pencils in pairs, so you will be able to form 6 pairs. Same as from 16, 8 pairs can be made. So they both are even numbers. In other way, the numbers having 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8 in their ones place are even number. Again, you can see in the example 12 and 16, the both numbers have 2 and 6 at ones place, so they both are even numbers. Next, odd numbers. Odd numbers are those numbers that cannot be put in pairs. Example, children, if I ask you to arrange to make pairs of 11 pencils, you will not be able to form pairs. Why? Because one pencil will be remaining. Same as with 15, you will not be able to form to put into them in pairs. So they both are odd numbers. In other way, the numbers having 1, 3, 5 and 9 in their ones place are odd numbers. See the example, 11 and 15 in both the numbers, they both have 1 and 5 at their ones place, so they both will be odd numbers. My next topic is before and after. It means what comes before a given number and what comes after a given number. To explain this topic, let's count the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and so on. They all are counting numbers. You all know this thing. So for this, we'll take the counting numbers 1, 2 and 3. Let's see class. In these counting numbers 1, 2 and 3, 2 is between 1 and 3. 1 is before 2, which is 1 less than 2. And 3 is after 2, which is 1 more than 2. So, to find before number, we have to subtract 1. And to find after number, we have to add 1. Let's understand the topic with an example. I have taken a number 500 and we have to find what comes before 500 and what comes after 500. As I told you, to get before number we have to subtract 1 and to get after number we have to add 1. So to get before number, subtract 1 from 500, we get 499. It means 499 comes before 500. Now to get after number, we have to add 500 plus 1 and we get 501. It means 501 comes after 500. Now we can conclude that 500 is between 499 and 501. 499 comes before 500 and 501 comes after 500. Yes children, now the next topic is face value and place value. Face value of a digit in a number is the digit itself, but the place value of a digit in a number depends on its place and it can be obtained by multiplying the digit with its place according to place value chart. let's understand the topic with an example. I have taken the number 329 and we have to find place value and face value of all three digits. So, as I told you, the face value of a digit in a number is the digits itself. Hence, face value of 9 will be 9, face value of 2 will be 2, and face value of 3 will be 3. Children, to get place value, we have to multiply the digit with its place. So, to get the place value of 9, which is at 1's place, we have to multiply 9 by 1. 9 into 1 is 9. So, the place value of 9 will be 9. To get the place value of 2, which is at 10's place, we have to multiply 2 by 10. 2 into 10 is 20. So, place value of 2 will be 20. To get the place value of 3, which is at 100's place, we have to multiply 3 by 100. 3 into 100 is 300. So the place value of 3 will be 300. Next topic is expanded form of 3-digit numbers. Yes, children, expanded form or expanded notation is the total of place values of digits of a numeral. Now see the example 952. We have to write the expanded form of the number 952. For this, children, first we'll discuss the place values of all three digits, as expanded notation is the total of place values of digits of a numeral. Yes, 9 is at 100's place, so its place value will be, yes, 900. 5 is at 10's place, so its place value will be 50. 2 is at 1's place, so its place value will be 2. So, 952 can be written as, in its expanded notation, is equals to 900 plus 50 plus 2. Now, what is short form? Short form of a number is the combination of face value of each digit at correct place. Children, to get short form from expanded form, we can add the given numbers. So let's take an example. Expanded form is equals to 400 plus 30 plus 8, and we have to find its short form. So to get short form, let's add all the numbers. 400 plus 30 plus 8, arrange them in column and add. After addition, we get 438. Hence, the short form will be 438. Children, it is time to check your understanding. For this, I have given you a worksheet which you have to solve in 2 days. Worksheet contains 4 questions. Question 1A, expand the following numbers to get the expanded notation. Write the short forms for the following expanded forms. Question 2, sort out the following into even and odd numbers. Question 3, complete the table by writing the numbers that comes just before and just after the given numbers. Question 4, write the place value and face value of the underlined digits in the each number. And class, you all have to do this worksheet in your maths rough copy, and you have to follow the same format as I have made for you, and you have to complete the worksheet within 2 days. Thank you, children. I hope you all enjoyed it.